Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're doing lesson 13-4. Make sense and persevere. Wow, that's a mouthful. Basically, we're doing a problem-solving lesson today. Okay, we're going to be using clues to make sense of our 2D and our 3D shapes. So I'm going to describe shapes, and you're going to tell me what shape, 2D or 3D, that could be. And I know it's really shapes or 2D, solid figures or 3D. But I'll use both terms back and forth today just to make it a little quicker and easier and go faster. Okay, so Jackson wants to organize his shapes. He has 2 doors, okay? Think of it like he has 2 closets and he's putting his toys away in 2 different places, okay? He wants to put all his flat shapes behind door number 1. And he wants to put all his solid shapes behind door number 2. So, which shapes go where? Start to kind of point which ones go behind door number 1 for the flat 2D shapes. Okay, so this looks like a square. This looks like a triangle, rectangle, circle, and another triangle. So now behind door number 2 should be my 3D shapes. What do you see that's a 3D shape that should come over here? Name them. There's cube. I'm going out of order because I want to see if you guys are with me. Okay, so if you named all the others, you should be ready for me. A cone, a sphere, and a cylinder. Did I leave anybody out? No, I didn't. Okay, good. So let's go on to the next page and try some more. We won't just be sorting here. We're going to be listening to the clues, okay? If we were in class or even at home, I think it would be wonderful if you guys could practice. Mom or dad give you a bunch of blocks and say, let's sort them into 2 groups, okay? Those kinds of things are excellent practice at what we're doing today. All right, so the first one's done for us. I'm not going to bother with that because blah. All right, so if you look at Jackson up top, we're going to ignore this here, okay? But let's look at Jackson up top. He's got his 3 shapes, right? He's thinking, what can roll? First, he wants something that can roll. Oh, so he crosses out his cube. He's thinking of something that is shaped like a baseball. Oh, so it can't be his cone either. It has to be the ball, the sphere, okay? So we're going to do that on number 2. I am a solid figure. Okay, well, they're all solid figures, right? Okay. I can roll. Oh, he can't roll. Cube can't roll, can he? I can also stack. Oh. Which one of those can't stack? Sphere cannot stack. Right. So what shape am I? What are we called? Cylinder. Good. Let's try some more. All right. You can see each question, all you guys have for you are 3 shapes. Okay. There's 3 shapes. You have to listen to my clues and decide which one is the answer. So the first 2 at the top of the page, I'm going to do with you and cross them out as I explain them and do that. And then I'm going to start pulling back a little bit and I'm just giving you guys the answer after I go through it, okay? All right, so let's look at number 3. I am a solid figure. I can stack and slide. I have 6 flat surfaces. What shape am I? All right, so I am a solid figure. Well, if he is a solid figure, we know it cannot be a circle. Okay. Let me go back. I can stack and slide. Yeah, he can. Yeah, he can. I have 6 flat surfaces. Oh, he doesn't have 6 flat surfaces. He only has the top and bottom, 1 and 2. So it must be my cube. Okay, good. Let's take a look at number 4. I am a solid figure. I can slide. I have only 1 flat surface. What shape am I? Okay, I'm a solid figure. Solid, solid, solid. I can slide. He can slide. He can slide. He can't slide. He only rolls. Okay, I'm a solid figure. I can slide. I have only 1 flat surface. Who should I cross out? Why do I want to cross out my cylinder? I said my answer can only have one flat surface, and he has one, too, so he can't be my answer. It's called a cone. All right, number 5. I am a solid figure. I can roll. I do not have any flat surfaces. What shape am I? I'm a solid figure. I do not have any flat surfaces. And I can roll. I am a sphere. Why did I cross out the square? He's not solid. Why did I cross out the cone? Because my answer has no flat surfaces, and the cone has one. So he's not. That's it, not him. So now let's look at number 6. Oh, you might notice right away they're all what? Number 6. I am a flat shape. Boom, that's everyone. I have 4 sides. All of my sides are the same length. What shape am I? Well, who doesn't have 4 sides? It's a triangle. Who doesn't have all sides the same length? Who's not all the same? Rectangle. So my answer is my fancy rectangle, the square. Yeah. All right, let's look at number 7. 7 has a mix of flat and solids. I am a flat shape. I do not have any straight sides. What shape am I? I'm going to read the clues a few times. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not going to explain it. I'm going to read the clues a few times. I am a flat shape. I do not have any straight sides. What shape am I? All right, guys, tell me the answer. It's either or. It's the circle, guys. He's flat, and he has no straight sides. Okay, now look at the 3 I have coming up for the last one, number 8. I am solid. I can roll, and I have 2 flat surfaces. What shape am I? I am solid. I can roll, and I have 2 flat surfaces. What shape am I? Did you say cylinder? Did you say yellow? Did you say that one? I get it. Either one of those makes sense. Sphere has no flat surfaces, and the cube has 6 flat surfaces, and the cube can't roll. So there you go. All right. All right. Let's see. I don't know that we're going to take a look at the next page and do more than just say peek. Okay. So parents, this is one of these pages that very often in class we would look at and say, yikes, this is tricky. Okay. Look at the shape of the top of the page. You have to give someone clues about that shape without saying the word cylinder. So I want you to practice this at home, okay? You could even do this, maybe we can set up a flip grid for today, where you have a solid figure in your hands and you give someone clues. Now, let's say it's behind your back because you don't want the person looking at it in the flip grid seeing it. You would give someone clues and say, behind my back is a solid figure. So I'm going to describe this one, okay, the yellow. The figure behind my back can roll. The figure behind my back has 2 flat surfaces. By then, the person should be able to guess what you have, okay? So maybe that's something you can practice with mom and dad, and you can follow the link for the flip grid to try your own, okay? And I'll show you what I mean on that one. I definitely will, all right? All right, guys, can't wait to see what you can share with me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.